Now, let's say you want to buy sneakers on sale, but you don't have the time nor the opportunity to go to an outlet store, or you don't know which physical store actually does their sales. I have good news for you Nike fans out there. All you have to do is to go to the Nike.com/PH website, go to sale, and you should be able to find a lot of amazing sneakers with good size runs at good discounts. Now, for today's vlog, I'm actually going to go share with you like my top, I don't know, maybe top 10 picks from the online site of Nike that I feel are good deals. And hopefully this helps you guys out. Pick whatever shoes that are in here that you might want to cop. Let's go. For anything, please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We are doing a bunch of giveaways ranging from smartphones all the way to a YEEZY 700 Inertia. The details to all of the giveaways can be found down below, but the prerequisite is for you to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and then join our Facebook community. Good luck. As you guys know, I'm a massive fan of the Nike Air Force 1, and the first sneaker that I would definitely recommend that you consider is this sweet number over here, the Nike Air Force 1 07 LV8, and it comes in two colors. But before we talk about the colors, the usual price is $4,995. You can get it for $1,000 off. It is selling for just $3,999. One color is some sort of like white ash gray with a blue swoosh, and I love if you take a look at the stitching, the light blue stitching that gives it a little bit more contrast. And there is also a version which is in red. So if you want one that pops, go for the red one. If you want one that's more subtle, go for the blue and white one. The next sneaker I would recommend, especially to those who are on the lookout for chunky sneakers, is the Nike M2K Techno. And the Nike M2K Techno usually sells for $4,995. Just like the Air Force 1, it is at 1,000 pesos off, and they are selling it for just $3,999. Now, there are a variety of colorways, but the ones that are on sale are the black, red, and white. The one that I showed you guys earlier, as well as this blue, neon green, and white variant. So again, if you are looking for a chunky sneaker that won't break the bank, the Nike M2K Techno. Number 2, we have the Jordan Why Not 0.2 PF, the Westbrook shoe. And the reason why I love this sneaker, if you take a look at it, is that apart from being a great basketball performance shoe, you really have that style and that flair of Westbrook implemented with the colorway and the styling. So it actually looks good as a streetwear everyday sneaker. Usually sells for $6,295, but they are selling it for just $5,039. Not a bad deal. It is 1,200 pesos off, making it a much more acceptable purchase in my opinion. Oh, if you want something clean, you might want to consider the all-white version of that sneaker. It just looks immaculate. Selling for, again, $5,039 from the usual SRP of $6,295. Now, the next sneaker is one of the latest, or actually it's the newest Air Max to come out. This is the Nike Air Max 200. And this is the 1992 World Stage Edition. So it has some sort of hits of blue, teal, red, and black. And usually it sells for $6,295, but they are selling it for just 5,039 pesos. I did the full review of the Air Max 200. I will put a link down below just in case you guys haven't seen that one yet. And next, we have the Nike Classic Cortez in white and black. Some sort of like panda color over here. Usually sells for $4,195. You can get it for just $2,939, 1,000 pesos off this classic timeless black and white Cortez sneaker. Next sneaker is my favorite colorway of the Nike React Element 55 on the website. This is the special edition in white, black, and orange with hits of neon or vault on the midsole. And this one usually sells for $6,745, but on the website you can actually get it for just $5,399. Not a bad deal. Now, the next deal isn't really cheap and it isn't really super affordable, but it just looks friggin' amazing. This is the Nike Air Max 97 SE or Special Edition. I love the pop of teal at the upper with the elements of black mixed along with it. Then it gets broken with that white color down the middle. Then you get into the air bubble for the midsole. Just looks amazing, guys. This one usually sells for $8,995. Almost 9,000 pesos, but with a discount, you can get it at 2,000 pesos off at 7,199. Now let's keep going. One of my favorite picks in the website right now is this Nike Air Force One Triple White. But this is the Premium 2 edition. So the quality of the leather is so much better on this one. It just feels so great, and it is like a must-have for any Air Force One fan. Now this one sells for $6,745, but on the website, and it has still had pretty good size run, you can get it for just $5,399. Now if you are a fan of the Nike Air Max 720, there is one lone Air Max 720 on sale right now on the website, and it is in this some sort of like aquamarine teal color. Usually goes for $8,995. You can get it for just $7,199 right now on the Nike website. Also have this neck-breaking level Nike Air Max Tailwind 4. So this is what it looks like. It has a black upper, but it has a gradient orange to pink stripe that happens along the lateral and the medial side. It just looks ridiculously crazy and dope. I'm actually tempted to buy it, but it is still pricey. It's actually, the actual price is $8,095, but it is on 1,500 pesos off. You can get it for just 6,479 pesos. So those are just some of the sneakers that are on sale over at the Nike Philippines website, so please do check them out, nike.com/ph. Now at this point in the vlog, I want to bring some backup. So if you were to ask, so the question is, which is your favorite sneaker that you would recommend here on the Nike Philippines website? Now if you ask me, the most brainless one that I would actually recommend, but it is probably the most boring, but it's going to be the most timeless sneaker you will buy, is that Premium Air Force One in all white. It just works. It's brainless, it's timeless, it's classic, I like it, good price. But that's my opinion. And at this point in the vlog, I want to bring in 3 people who I will have go through the Nike Philippines website, and I will have them share their picks on what they would recommend to you guys. Let's bring in Slick Rick of Magic 89.9. Let's bring in Coach Chappy Calianta, one of the best fitness trainers in the country today. And let's bring in also one of the best motivational speakers in the country today, Billy De La Fuente. Take it away, guys.
All right, here we go. So it's my turn to pick sneaker. And the sneaker that I selected on sale is Nike SB Zoom Janoskis.
Wow, interesting. Why?
Now, the reason why I picked it is because it's actually good for work and play. You can wear it to the office, and then after the office, if you want to change into shorts, just in case you're going to Poblacion because it's really hot, or you're going to the island, you can still wear these sneakers. And it comes off really classy because not a lot of people wear the Janoskis, or even SBs itself. The reason why is because, you know, people, they don't know the history of it, but it's really a solid shoe. Myself and my wife, we always buy some because it's on sale. And yeah, so you guys get it now. It's only $3,599. That's actually a great price, especially for that color, especially with the gum, the part of the gum sole toward the top.
Of the shoe.
So it's really nice. And oddly enough, I actually have 3 pairs of these. I have a black one, I have an all-white one, and I have the black one with a gum sole. So yeah. Hey, don't forget to check out Dad Squad and also Eric Virata. That is my...
The real name.
That's my real name. If you guys are, who's this Eric Virata? It's not Slick Rick. No, that is my real name. It is one and the same. And Dad Squad with Coach Chappy Calianta. Yeah. Here.
So my reco for the Nike PH online store sale is the Nike Metcon Sport.
Obviously.
Right there. Obviously, being a fitness coach, why I like this Metcon, I actually have this in all black though, black with the white. I know. I use it for workouts, but also when I coach my basketball players, I can jump in on the drills and do the drills pretty well. Pwede akong mag side to side, I can do lateral work. So there's a lot of lateral support, which a lot of training shoes don't have. So if you want to go for a good training shoe on a budget, the Nike Metcon Sport with that strap over there, it helps you move on the court and move in the weight room pretty well. I'm Chappy Calianta, and I have my channel is Coach Chappy Calianta on YouTube. And Slick and I, of course, Slick Rick, we're gonna develop our own channel, Dad Squad PH. Check out for that.
So hey guys, so I chose Nike Free Run 5.0 because this shoe, I love shoes na medyo flat, and I also do long walks from office to office, from place to place. Talagang mahilig ako maglakad. So this shoe is perfect for me. Flat din, at gusto ko yung medyo dikit lapat na lapat dun sa paa ko. Yun. So if you want to learn more about success and about personal development, or let's say business, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Billy De La Fuente.
So make sure that you guys subscribe to all of their channels. They all have YouTube. Billy has a channel on motivation and entrepreneurship. Coach Chappy has a channel mostly on fitness. And of course, Slick Rick has his channel Slick Picks, where he talks about his favorite items or whatever it is that he likes to unbox and to show to you guys. I'll put links down below to all three of their channels in the description box. Go show them some love. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. I definitely did. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.